Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, improve your LiveDocs alignment with Custom Segmentation Rule. I am here showing an alignment made using memoQ default segmentation rule. The alignment is incorrect because the segmentation is incorrect as well. To improve this initial alignment, create custom segmentation rule that fix the issue in the source and in the target languages. Go to Project Home, Settings, Segmentation Rule, then select the Custom Segmentation Rule for your source languages. Using the Language drop-down menu, select the target languages and check the Custom Segmentation Rule for your target languages. We'll re-import the same document using the new rule. Let's check this alignment. The issue has been fixed and the alignment is now perfect. Applying custom segmentation rule to your LiveDocs alignment must be done in a project. Thanks for watching.